Introducing the new X-Tool Prodigy. This is new to market in the UK. It's a brand new tool. Many of you would have heard of the reputation of X-Tool. It's got some fantastic features. So today, I'm just going to start by doing a simple unboxing and showing you everything that's in the kit. So we'll start off with, I'm going to have to lean it down a little bit here. X-Tool comes with a really nifty charger docking station. So that's actually your dock there. So it's got a cradle in it that you drop the tool inside. And actually there's a couple of bits of metal here, which are actually feet that clip into the back of the docking station, like that, at the back. And then we've got the actual tool itself. Comes in a tough case. And I've used one of these for the last 6 months testing it in the workshop, and it's actually a very good tough case. So I know it's going to survive in a workshop. Got our usual bits and pieces in there, our guarantees, our warranties. It does come with 3 years software, and it does come with a 2-year warranty as well. So nice sized tablet to start off with. It'll probably need charging, but what tends to happen with the X-Tool is if it is charged, you have to hold it for about 5 seconds and it should come on. There we go, it's just come on. Then we've got the VCI itself, and the VCI actually is more than just a VCI. It does a lot of other features, but we'll run through that in other videos as well. Then in the back of it, we'll start off with our cables. So first cable, that's an old Mitsubishi cable. Many of you will recognize that. That's quite a few years old, whether anybody would use it these days, but it's always there. And then in the back of the box, I'll try and show you without dropping all the cables out. We've got all of our different adapters, mainly for our Japanese stuff, but we've got a Mercedes-Benz one there, and we've got our old BMW favorite 20 pin there as well. So it covers a number of brands. Let me just have a little flick through. So we've got Suzuki in here. We've got Fiat there for the old 3-pin Fiat, which is very old. We've got, get another one out. We've got a Honda one there, the old 3-pin Honda. And it goes on and on. So we've got most of the cars covered, most of the older cars covered as well. This particular model focuses on the diesel and gasoline markets, and it covers the European, Asian, US markets, and pretty much absolutely globally. We've been thoroughly testing this unit on everything from Dodge Ram pickup trucks right through to 25 plate European models, and it's pretty much done everything so far. Some of the key features above the rivalry in the market, because you'd be aware obviously it's a Chinese tool and there's a lot of other Chinese tools out there, is the fact that it does really, really good gateway access, online programming, and it also does some really good immobilizer and key stuff as well. So altogether, it's a really great bundle available from Maverick Diagnostics.